did it. I did it.
It's there. It's on the edge. Nah, you close your eyes.
Goodness.
The ugliest thing I've ever done in my fucking life.